We wash our little guy in the bathtub, but she's a big girl and she's very fluffy. She has lots of shedding, and it's everything we can do to keep her brushed and everything. Every once in a while it is time to give her a bath though, and we got this set to be able to give her a bath outside a lot easier. Let's take a look at what's included. It's got a nice adapter that can be used with a quick attach that can connect to the hose. It's also got a standard hose connector, quick disconnect. So we have a couple of different options there. And then on the end of this flexible hose, we've got a kind of a hand brush that has a silicone watch band that can be used, I guess I put it a little too tight, that can be used to put this on your hand. And then it has an adjustment here, a valve to check how much water you're going to push. And then of course you can brush her and wash her at the same time. What I like best about this one is it allows us to do this outside, and the water will just drain out into the garden and into the lawn, and all that here is not going down the drain. So this is a great shower setup for the outdoors, especially for fuzzy girls like this one. Hope this helps.